Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to video number 3. My name is Diana and this is the series in Affiliate Marketing Basics. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 vital steps you need to master to truly succeed in the affiliate game. Are you ready? So let's start. Step 1, traffic. And the easiest way to explain what traffic is, it's imagine a shopping mall with people passing by the shops. Those people walking, that's our free traffic. On the internet, our free traffic is the millions online daily, watching YouTube, scrolling Facebook, scrolling through social media, and more. So once we've got traffic, we can move to step number 2, which is capture. We want to keep our potential customers close. To do that, we need to stop them from scrolling past, and we need to grab their interest and grab their attention. We've got to engage them, and we've got to motivate them to share their contact details with us. That's how we move to step 3, nurture. And this is building trust. Building trust is key. We do this by sharing lifestyle story, giving value-packed content, and showcasing our results. It's all about creating a personal connection and showing that we are genuine experts in the field we're talking about. That's how we can move to step 4. Now's the moment. We can offer our solution to the customer in a clear and in an irresistible way. The offer should be so amazing that they can't say no. And then we make buying super easy. People buy from people, guys, remember that. So by sharing our stories, we can do that. We have to demonstrate we are open, we are genuine, that we are honest. And that's it. Those are the 4 essential steps. Is it right? So in the next video, we'll get hands-on with sales funnel and how to put these steps into action. I hope you find this useful. Remember to check my social media accounts and the link I have in my channel for a free detailed ebook on how to get started with affiliate marketing. And as always, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you like this video and want to learn more ways on how to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And guys, turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of this valuable content. Thanks for watching, and remember, let's make things happen. Bye.